Hello. Today, I want to talk about something very beautiful and very important in our lives. Colors. We see colors every day, everywhere we go. Colors are in nature, in our houses, in our clothes, in the food we eat, and in the things we use. Colors help us describe the world and express our feelings. Let's start with the colors in nature. The sky is usually blue during the day and dark at night. The grass and trees are green. Flowers are very colorful. They can be red, pink, yellow, orange, purple, or white. The sun is bright yellow, and it gives light to everything. Clouds are white or gray, and sometimes the sky has a rainbow after the rain, with many colors like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. It looks amazing. Fruits and vegetables also have many colors. Apples can be red, green, or yellow. Bananas are yellow. Oranges are orange. Grapes are green or purple. Watermelons are green on the outside and red inside. Carrots are orange, and lettuce is green. These colors make food look fresh and delicious. Now let's talk about colors in clothes. I like to wear a white shirt and blue jeans. My shoes are black, and my jacket is gray. On sunny days, I wear light colors like yellow or light blue. On cold or rainy days, I wear dark colors like brown or navy. My sister loves pink, and she wears pink dresses, pink shoes, and even has a pink bag. My brother likes green and wears green t-shirts all the time. Every person has a favorite color. My favorite color is blue. I like blue because it is calm and peaceful. It reminds me of the sky and the ocean. Some people like red because it is strong and full of energy. Others prefer green because it feels fresh and natural. Some like black because it looks serious and elegant, and others enjoy yellow because it is happy and bright. Colors can also show emotions. When we are happy, we usually wear bright colors like yellow or orange. When we are sad or tired, we often wear darker colors like black or gray. Artists use colors in paintings to show feelings too. Red can show love or anger. Blue can show peace or sadness. Green can show nature and hope. In my house, the walls of the living room are light beige, the kitchen is white, and my room is light blue. I like the color of my room because it helps me relax. My bed has a blue blanket, and the curtains are white. I have some red and green books on my shelf, and I use colored pencils to draw. Colors are a part of everything in life. They help us see, feel, choose, and communicate. The world would be very boring without colors. That is why I like to look around and notice all the beautiful colors around me. What about you? What colors do you see now? What is your favorite color? Thank you for listening to my story about colors. I hope you enjoyed it and that now you also pay more attention to the colors around you every day.